clutching at all they pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track, back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also, she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's a Hakuna Matata, beast on the water, pray to provider, please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter. Yeah, all in mind if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Same shit they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. Cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
This close. Just need to add kind of lip to this side as well. 1 centimeter I think would do it. So the reason for why I had to cut out these pieces from the channel, is it called a channel? Not sure, but from here, is because if you're going to use a stock rear rally synchro suspension on this, it's a bit too wide. This is gonna hit the chassis, so you will have to cut this part out in order to make this fit. I've seen or heard at least of one guy who actually shortened the whole subframe. I don't know where he shortened it or how, but in order to make it fit the Mark 1 chassis better, so he did not have to cut out the pieces. I've seen on Instagram they have the subframe a bit lower, more distant from the subframe to the chassis, so I guess then they don't have to cut this part out. But I wanted to have like the mounts I have made for the subframe to fit the Mark 1 chassis. I've made as kind of close to stock mounts as possible, just they fit the Mark 1, not the Mark 2 or Mark 3 Golf. And also a benefit if you do not mount the subframe as, you know, high up in chassis as I have done, I guess you don't have to cut out the floor or this, because this part is going to hit the floor of the car, the trunk. I painted it red. Does not look good, but you know, it's a race car. This is just so it looks you know, a bit better than what it did before. At some point I have to like redo most of the things I do now anyway, and so this is better than it was. I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.